Hi everyone! Today I am going to show you how to make a simple earring hook. We'll start with about 5 centimeters of wire. First, straighten the wire until it's nice and smooth. Taking a few extra seconds here will make shaping much easier. Using your round nose pliers, make a small loop at one end. Next step, switch to the fourth section of your pliers and gently bend the wire outward to form the hook shape. Once you are happy with the curve, make a slight bend near the middle. This helps create a comfortable fit when the earring is worn. Now, trim away the excess wire. Before we finish, don't forget to file the cut end until it's completely smooth. This little step makes a big difference. It helps prevent the wire from stretching your ear and gives your earring a much more professional finish. Finally, attach your favorite charm or dangle. And just like that, your handmade earring hook is ready to wear. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Happy creating! Bye!